Is on data visual. Hi, this session is on data visualization in Python. We will use a very simple data set, that is the housing data set, and explore the concepts of the scatter plot, a scatter plot with a regression line, a, a histogram, a bar plot, and a heat map. So these are the things that we will consider. So let's jump in. First, we import the three libraries, the pandas, matplotlib, and seaborn. Next, we are reading the CSV file. We are doing and seeing the first 5 rows. We are seeing it and it has got 21 columns. The next function is very important. What we do is that we write a common function, the draw plot. What it is doing, it is getting the current figure. It is setting the size of the figure, getting the axis of the current figure, setting the label size of the ticks of the axis, setting the label size of the x-axis, setting the label size of the y-axis, setting the title of the plot. So that is the draw plot. Then what we do is that we are exploring the house data price and we are seeing that these are all in millions. We are also exploring the house data square foot living and we are exploring these things. What is now we explore the relationship between square foot living and price. Here it is the scatter plot. The x value is the price and the y value is square foot living. So we see as the price is increasing or as the square foot is increasing, the price is also increasing. How are we doing it? We are using the scatter plot function and we are also using the draw plot function to make it a much more nicer plot. The regression plot, it is the same thing as a scatter plot. Only thing that we are doing is that there is a regression line. X is price, Y is square foot living, color is blue, and the data is the pandas data frame house data. Next one is the regression line with the color as red and the line width as W. And we are using the line KWS parameter for that. And it is a regression plot again. Similarly, there is another variation of the regression plot, that is color is red. Square foot lot analysis. What is the square foot lot analysis? We are doing a regression plot again with x is price, y as square foot lot. And the regression line is a red color. So that's why color is red. And we are using reg plot. The price distribution. Here we are doing a histogram and we are plotting this. Similarly, now since it is very highly skewed data that we are having, so what we are doing now is that we want to just decrease the house data price and make it less than 2 million. And now when we do a plot or histogram, you see this looks much more better. So here we see that most of the houses are less than 500,000. So this is a technique that you can do. If there are too many outliers, you reduce the range and you can get a much more better plot. So what is the takeaway here? Here we are using the plot to create a very good histogram. Here the only change is that KD equal to 2, the kernel density estimation, and therefore we get this line out here. And we are also using the plot here. Now the next one is that we want to find the houses with a definite number of bedrooms. So we are using the value counts and we are seeing that the houses with three bedrooms are around 9,824. Houses with 4 bedrooms is 6,800. 882. Now we do another bar plot. Here we plot the count of the bedrooms in the y-axis and in the x-axis the number of bedrooms. Now through which we see that the number of bedrooms are highest in houses with 3 bedrooms. So we have the highest number of houses which are having 3 bedrooms. So here we are using a bar plot. Now, if we want to find the median price given the number of bedrooms, it is also easy. We do a group by of the bedrooms, the price, and then we calculate the median, and then we sort the values by the price in descending order. Now we find here that the houses with 9 bedrooms are around 817,000. Houses with 7 bedrooms is 728,000. Houses with 8 bedrooms is 700,000. So these are the things that is happening. Now we have a bar plot out here, and here we see that the number of bedrooms and price. So there is the number of bedrooms are here and the price is here. And here we see that the number of bedrooms with 9 bedrooms we are having around 800,000. So this is what we are having. What is the blocks plot? Bedrooms and price. So here we are doing a box plot, and here we are finding that we can find the number of bedrooms in the x-axis and the price in the y-axis. And how do we do it? It is very simple. We are using the box plot. Y is price, X as bedrooms, data as house data, and the color as blue. So you see, the Seaborn library makes it very easy to manipulate using the pandas data frame. Now, the next question we can ask is, what is the median price given the grade? So here what we do is that we group by grade and get the price, the median value, we sort the values by price in descending order. Once we get this, we do a bar plot and we can find this. So as the grade increases, the price also increases. The zip code and the price. So here if we want to find out the median price given a zip code, we can group by the zip code, get the price, and then we can sort the values by price. So here we are getting the zip code and we are getting the median price. And here we are getting a dist plot, that is a histogram is being present. So we are getting the price and the zip code in this region. So in this way it is very easy to see the distribution of the prices. So here we can also plot the latitude and the longitude, and a good way of doing it is doing it in a scatter plot. X is a latitude, Y is a longitude, and we can get the scatter plot. Next is the heat map. We find all these features are here, and we can do a correlation.cor, and then what we do is that we do a heat map, sns.heatmap, and we do the house data features.cor annotate equal to true. So what we find through this figure? We find that the price is highly correlated with, you see the 0.7, it is square foot living. It is highly correlated with square foot living. It is highly correlated with grade, and it is also highly correlated with square foot living. This completes the lecture on data visualization. Hope you liked it. Bye. Thank you.